Welcome again from the Learning Commons. My name is Michaela Boyko. So today I'm going to show you a new resource called UMS Academy. So let me read you the little blip that came with the email when this was announced. So the University of Southern Maine, in partnership with nationally recognized electronic education provider Who Knew It, now presents an online and on-demand resource for professional and personal development, as well as easy-to-access bundled UMS mandatory training, and it's called UMS Academy. UMS Academy offers university and campus-specific content along with more than 50,000 tutorials featuring college life, academic engagement, and leadership topics, plus 250 technology trainings on applications including Microsoft, Google, Blackboard, and Adobe. It breaks down the information you need into manageable trainings you can quickly find and easily complete. It also includes a system-wide training calendar and a news section where you can learn what's happening around training and education across all of our campuses. As well, like all other higher education institutions around the world, our faculty can pull UMS Academy content directly into their Blackboard courses, so students receive immediate and directed guidance as to what will be important to them. Whether your engagement is assigned or self-directed, exciting options are available to you 24/7. So this is the reason for why you should use this resource, and I'm going to tell you exactly where you can find it. So if you start on the University of Southern Maine homepage, we're going to be heading over to the My Campus portal page so we can easily access the UMS Academy link. So there's two ways to get to the My Campus portal. You can just type in the URL, which will bring you to the sign-in page, which I will give you the URL right here. So delete everything and then type in www.mycampus.maine.edu and then hit enter, and that'll bring you to the login page. The other way to do it is that if you're on the home page and you scroll all the way down at the bottom, so right here where you see Job Opportunities Library, you'll see My USM. You'll click that and it'll bring you to basically the same login page. Both of those designs are both the login pages for the My Campus. So I'm just going to really quickly type in my credentials here. So where you're going to find this is on your Launchpad right when you log into the My Campus page. So right here on the Launchpad, it's going to be this little icon here with the apple with a little bite in it. So when you click on it, it's just going to automatically log you in. So as you see up here in the right corner, I'm already logged in, don't even have to do anything. So let's touch on some basic taskbar navigation functions. So on the side here, you have this nice little taskbar. You can pull it out by hitting this toggle and it gives you the full names of the little icons. So your certificates are the ones that you get from completing the assessments. The reports are how well you've done in each module, and when you complete them, they'll go to your report. You can favorite modules, so like if you have one that you want to come back to, or if you have one that you want to recommend to a friend, but you don't want to go searching for it again, you can add it to your favorites. My training is used for modules that are either assigned to yourself or that were assigned to you by either your instructor or by another teacher or even faculty member. And the last one is the My Campus training. This one is what I would call just the basic overview of what I'm doing, and this is it. I will end this off here. This is one of 3 parts for the UMS Academy videos. In the next video, I will be going into more detail about how to navigate some of the other stuff like the pathways and the individual videos, along with explaining some of the modules and also where you can find some of the technology resources. So until then, guys, bye-bye.